So what do we have to prove here? क्या सिद्ध करना है कि okay, already we have proved that root 2 is what? Root 2 is an irrational number. है ना? In previous question we have solved this. Now there is a condition. If this question will come for 2 marks, okay, if this question will come for 2 marks or 3 marks, 2 marks or 3 marks, so write down this line. We know that root 2 is an irrational number. But if this question is for 5 marks, if this question is for 5 marks, then what do you have to do? You will have to solve this question again. You don't know how to solve it like before question. Okay, let root 2 is a rational number, then root 2 is equals to p divided by q, then on squaring both sides. That step is clear now. So if this question will come for 5 marks or 6 marks, so we'll have to solve that all step again, and after that we will solve the next step. But if this question is for 2 marks or 3 marks, so we will only write down we have already proved that root 2 is an irrational number. So write down, we know that, just one sec, root 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, we already know that root 2 is what? Root 2 is an irrational number. Now just see, this one is what? Root 2 is what? Irrational number, and p divided by q is what? Rational number. But what is it saying? ये क्या बोल रहा है? दोनों आपस में क्या है? बराबर. That means one mango and one orange is equal. So is this true? सही है. So what we have to write down? We know that root 2 is an irrational number. Hence means इस प्रकार. Hence means इस प्रकार root 2 is equals to p divided by q is not correct. Is not correct statement. Is not correct statement. ये सही statement नहीं है. So that okay, so that our supposition, so that our supposition means जो भी हमने माना था. So that means इसलिए जो भी हमने माना था, what, that this number is a rational number. We suppose this ना, इसको हमने क्या माना था? Rational number. So because of this condition, so that our supposition, what supposition? That 1 by root 2 is a rational number. So that our supposition is not right. Our supposition is not right. अतः हमने जो भी माना था वो सही नहीं है. That means this one is wrong. This one is wrong. This one is not rational number. And if this one is not rational number, so what will be? Irrational numbers. So 1 by root 2 is an what? Irrational number. And that's the answer. Is this clear? Let's understand again. Prove that 1 by root 2. Okay, now let's change the number. Let's write down 1 by 5. Prove that 1 by root 5 is an irrational number. So what I told you, for this type of question always we have to go against. हमेशा कैसा जाना? इसके उल्टा जाना है. So what is it given? Irrational. So what we have to suppose? Rational. Solution, let 1 by root 5 is a rational number, and rational number means p divided by q, numerator divided by denominator. So 1 by root 5 in math language is means what? Equal sign. In math language is means equal sign, and rational number means p divided by q. But there is a condition, q should not be equal to 0. q क्या नहीं होना चाहिए? 0. This much is clear. Now what we have to do, cross multiply. Q will be multiplied by 1, so Q multiplied by 1 equal sign, this P will be multiplied by root 5. Next step, okay, now just change the side. Okay, we brought P into root 5 in left hand side. Now Q ones are Q. Now root 5 will be in left hand side and this P will be transposed in right hand side. After transposition, multiply will get converted into divide and divide always goes down. Divide कहाँ पे जाता है, नीचे. So root 5 is equals to Q divided by P. Okay, root 5 is equals to Q divided by P. Now numerator and denominator, rational number. So right hand side is what? Right hand side is a rational number. But what's about left hand side? What's the number here? Root 5. And already we have proved now, like root 5, root 2, root 3, they are irrational number. Again, if this question is for 2 marks or 3 marks, so write down on a simple line. We know that root 2 is an irrational number. But if this question is coming for 5 marks or 6 marks, so you will have to solve from starting. Like root 2 is a rational number, then root 2 is equals to P divided by Q, then all steps. Okay, so then we know that root 2 is an irrational number. So left hand side is what? Rational or irrational? Irrational. Right hand side is what? Rational or irrational? Rational. But what is it saying? This statement is saying that both sides are equal. दोनों आपस में क्या है? बराबर है. If I will just draw this diagram, one is this type of boy and one is this type of boy, and I'm telling you both are equal. दोनों आपस में बराबर है. Is this true? सही है. The weight of this boy is 100 kg. इसका वजन कितना है? 100 kg. And the weight of this boy is 10 kg. इसका वजन कितना है? 10 kg. And I'm telling you that both are equal. दोनों आपस में बराबर है. Is this true? सही है. They are also saying the same thing. They are telling that left hand side and right hand side are equal. दोनों आपस में क्या है? बराबर है. But we know that root 5 is what? Irrational number. And P divided by Q is what? Rational number. Same or different? Different now. One is rational number and one is irrational number. Both are different. That means whatever it is saying, this is right or wrong? Wrong. Hence root 2 is equals to P divided by Q is not correct statement. ये सही statement नहीं है. Then what's the next step? So that our supposition, हमने जो भी माना था, इसलिए हमने जो भी माना था that this number is rational number is not right. ये सही नहीं है. So if this one is not rational number, so what will be? Irrational. If this one is not a boy, so what will be? Girl. If this one is not a girl, so what will be? Boy. So what's the number here? This one is this number is not rational number. So obviously what will be then? Irrational number. So we have to write down so that our supposition is not right. So 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Then we have to write on hence proved. Hence proved. Clear now? Okay, just note down this then, and then I will just give you some questions.